Whoa, there's a pretty cool duck over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's over. Come on, bro. It's there. It's not the basic beach kind of duck. I don't know what it is called in English. It's telkkä in Finnish. One time. Whoa, we're real close. One time during the summer, I was fishing right here. I had about 20 fish, and I left them in the bucket there outside. During the night, when I woke up, I was hearing these noises. And there was about 8 of those cool looking ducks, and they were feasting on my fish. It's a cool moment. Anyway, when something is true, you can observe it from multiple different vantage points. Come to the conclusion that the same conclusion basically from multiple different angles. Oh, some big fish jumped there. Nature is pretty cool, huh? I even captured the dragon myself today. Check it out, guys. I have a dragon. I saved it from the water, and now I have a pet dragon named Hess. Too bad it broke one of his wings. You'll be alright, bro. Toughen up, bitch. Let's see if he wants to eat a little raw chicken. Get some raw chicken so you can regenerate those wings, huh? That's pretty cool. It was stuck in the water. Now there's another dragonfly. It's a nature episode. There's a boat coming, and I'm naked. Anyway, I was thinking about these sacrifices. And one time I heard Jordan Peterson talk about when a man marries a woman, he sacrifices all the other women in the world. Now, that's a real chat, speaking like that. For about 80 to 90% of the guys, you ain't sacrificing shit if you get one woman. Maybe metaphorically, but in reality, not really. You would be lucky to marry a good woman, whatever that means. But that just goes to show when somebody's been blessed by nature, so to speak, by having incredibly good genes. And obviously, there's a reason why those genes are so good. They don't just happen by luck. We think about genes like, my genes are such pure luck. It had nothing to do how my ancestors lived. It has everything to do how your ancestor lived. If your ancestors would have been eating raw chicken, You would be 10 out of 10 gigajet. Well, I'm joking there, but obviously it matters. But those are the kind of sacrifices of the people who are blessed by nature. Just gonna settle down with a one woman. Back in the days, when things were more natural, the brainwashing was not over the top like it is now. Our programming was just running way more in its natural codes still. Those kind of guys who had it going, they had those harems. King Solomon had, I think, something like 100 to 200 what's the word? Anyway, beaches. That's the word. There's some concubines or something. Back in the day, people embraced the inner nature. They didn't sacrifice sheep if they didn't have to. But anyway, just goes to show, when you're blessed, ain't not much to sacrifice. The more natural you live, the less you have to sacrifice. The more matrix type your environment is, the more sacrifices you have to make. You might have to sacrifice your health for material wealth. I got rhymes like dimes, motherfucker. Let's be fast, the boat is coming. And I'm cosplaying Adam over here with my little dragonfly and a cool ass redhead duck. We got a gang where we eat raw chicken and fuck bitches. Sometimes when you look at nature, you can almost see like it doesn't seem real even. You can almost see past the simulation or whatever this is. How peaceful. Probably the last summer days up in the north. It's gonna get dark soon. That's gonna suck ass. Let's wait for the sun. To end this shit. Say bye to my dragonfly friend. Yes, say bye to the guys and gals. Here's a shy one. There we go. See you on the next one.